Welcome viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel with Wasim. Today we will see an Excel sheet, a small program which is beneficial for PCS and PCS since they raise invoices, they bill their clients and they receive amounts, and some of the bills are pending. They have to manage their billing. This helps them in managing their billing. See, this I have already created to save time. So this invoice number, invoice date, client, billed amount, received amount, and pending amount. This we will do this with the help of data. This data advanced data filter, advanced filter. Okay. So see how it is done, how that uh, advanced filter is useful in this situation. I'm copying the headings, I'm putting them here, just okay, build amount, received amount, and pending amount. Okay, now see how we can do this. Data, advanced filter. This is advanced filter. It says list range. What is your data? This is my data. Okay. What is the criteria range? This is my criteria range. I'm taking second row also, which is at present blank. We will put some client name here, or we will put invoice number here. Okay. Then copy to. If you don't go for copying, then this will change temporarily. So copy to, go to this box and just say here, select this place. Okay. See, all the data has come here. Since we have not selected some invoice, we have not selected some client, so all the full data has come here. See, go again. This time, before that, I would like to know about 100 bill number, invoice number 115. Same, this list range is same, criteria is same, copy to is same. They just say okay. Say it. It gives information about bill number 115. Suppose we have a client number 2. I want to find out as to how many invoices I have raised against this client. Then do the same thing. Come here. See, against this client number 2, I have raised 1, 2, 3, 4 invoices. These are the details, and there is no pending from this client. Okay. So without going to this again and again, we can keep a shortcut here. How to do that? Just see. Insert. Go to illustrations. Go to shapes. Okay. Take some shape here. Bring it here. Okay. Then just write advanced filter, ADV filter. Okay. इसको थोड़ा ठीक कर लो. Make it some beautiful. Make it look beautiful. Okay. Then we have to put some code behind this. How do we put a code behind this? The easiest, I'll tell you the easiest way. So that PCS and PCS are not people who do coding. They are not trained in coding, except some. So let us see how to create the code first. Go to developer record macro. I'll call this, ensure that caps lock is not on. I'll say Control T. So whatever command I'm going to do, whatever activity I'm going to do is being recorded under Control T. Okay. Now see, now it says stop recording. That means whatever I do here will be recorded. Okay. Now we'll do what we have done just now. Data advanced filter. This is my database. It is selected. This is my criteria selected. This is L1 to Q2. This is L1 to Q2. Okay, this is okay. Copy to, this is also okay. Now I'll say okay. Now go to developer again, say stop recording. It has already created some lines of data. See what we have, Control T we had selected. This is the data, this is the criteria, and this is where we wanted it to get copied. So now do one more thing here. So go to this, say assign macro, new, just copy these, the 3 lines of data, copy and put it under this rectangle rounded corners which we had selected. This is what he describes. This is described as a rectangle with round corners. Now we want to find out about client number 5. Let us say client number 5. This time we have already created a macro here. Just click on this. See, we got this. So you want to know about bill number 118. Okay, just say 118. You want to know about pending amounts more than 0. If you do more than 0, you will get all pending amounts. No, see 1, 2, 3, 4. See all pending amounts. If you say more than 0, then what else? You want to see where you have made billing more than 1 lakh की billing आपने कितने किए हैं? More than 1 lakh billing. See, at 3 places we have done it. This is how it works. So subscribe to my channel, and if you want this sheet, just write to me in the email. I will send this. So you may say that you may be having a long list of this data. So I have created only 20 lines of data. You may have 1,000 lines of data. So you may feel this is not useful for you. No, even then it is useful. See, after receiving this file, just go to this place, assign macro mein jaiye, go to this, edit. See, I'm deleting this, which is unnecessary now, since we have already copied the code here. See, your data, it says A1 to F21, okay. But your data is 2000 lines long. Make it 2000. Then this is only heading L5 to Q5. L5 to Q5 is only heading. Done. This is done. That means this now save it. So now again check it if it is covering up to 2000 F2000. So whatever you want to give, it works. Client 3, client number 3, ये देखो इतने हैं. Client number 3 के 4 bills है, 4 invoices we have placed. So this is how it works. So subscribe to my channel and give me your email ID in the comment section so that I can send you this. Thanks for watching.